welcome back to my channel. We're on location with
Lillian.
Lillian is one of our favorites.
Thank you.
Listen, everyone had a great response to our last time we were on camera. So today's gonna be great. We're shooting at Haulover Beach for Kiva J Swimwear. We're gonna be focusing on, I think, 4 to 5 looks. We're gonna be in and out. We're just gonna have a good time. That's it. All right, let's go. Send you the mood board. I know, but let's show the exact thing so we can get in and out. I'm not liking the fact that it's this dark, but we're gonna roll with it. I want direct sunlight.
So
that'll be the safe shot, and then you give me your variations of it.
Yeah.
All right. So we're shooting it at a higher aperture on purpose so we can protect her skin. There we go.
Timing is everything. Time to grind her.
Yeah, the sun definitely came out. Good Lord.
As Josh saying, it's great.
Right.
Josh feeling
All right, so make sure we ain't got no plumbers, but okay, so we are shooting at an f7.1. Yep, beautiful. I'll mix it up from there. We got the safe shot already. And I'm bringing my aperture down even more. Yeah, there we go. And we're letting her do her thing. Beautiful. Cross. Turn your body this way. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Hold that, hold that, hold that. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna change my angle a little bit. I don't like seeing my shadow on the shot. Turn over to me, turn. Your whole body, your hips, everything. Yep, turn to me. Kiva, you might be standing right in front of the camera. Just make sure. Beautiful. I get my shadow out of the shot. And this is why we bring Lillian. Because Lillian knows how to pose. I know I've been talking, but I'm trying to concentrate on what she's doing.
Yes, girl.
Beautiful. All right, relax.
We get the cover up.
Yeah, listen, in and out. In and out. Like, we ain't even trying to.
His face is looking. Sorry.
Okay.
Oh, perfect. I love that. Oh my gosh, wow. Stunning. Okay.
I was like, we ain't gotta do too much thinking. But this one stand up on the rock, on that rock. I heard them yell at somebody, hopefully that we didn't have a problem being on the rock. They were yelling at some kid about getting off the rock. So I'm hopefully they're not. Oh. Now what you would do? Yeah. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Let me flip my camera around. So what I'm trying to do is make sure I don't see too much of the. Yeah, I like seeing the outside so we can actually see the detail of the cover up. But then also make sure. All right, thank you. So when you shoot low and we take out the ground, it makes it seem like she's really high up in the air. So I'm trying to avoid seeing the sand. Yeah, it is.
Never mind. It's behind you. That's actually a shot.
And what you was just doing was really nice. I'm gonna bring my aperture back down, and I'm gonna get a couple wide shots. He talking to you?
I don't know.
Oh. They used to not care. Like, I remember like halfway floating out here.
Like, I feel like coming.
Oh. All right, come down, come down. Come down. Just hit me with a reflector. So what we're doing now, I want to raise my, I like that movement. Wait, give me a second, let me adjust to that. So because she's gonna throw it, I'm going to bring my shutter speed up, drop my aperture down, come down really low. Keep your shadows in the shot. Come out, Kiva, come out. There you go. Now I was talking to Kiva. All right, now flip it. Just bring the shutter speed down even slower. Beautiful. Can you try to flip it this way so it just kind of fans out? Like no, like this, like out.
Oh,
yeah. And like, yeah, we're trying to get some type of hang time. Again, do it again, do it again. Beautiful. And so act like you're walking this way. That way, yep, right there. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Back up, back up, back up. Look where you're walking. Thank you. And then come down. Yeah. Again, last time. I'm catching all of what you're doing. Give me that walk one last time and let's move on to the next suit. Beautiful. And I can take my head out of this. Beautiful. We got it. Oh yeah, we got it. Yeah, for sure. You can see that's what's coming there. All right, cool. So let's go. So go into the pose. It's literally just one pose and then let's get a couple variations of it. Kiva, look here. Look at the iPad.
Oh.
Yeah.
Get the reflector?
Yes, always. Give me 1 second. Move my shoes as well. My shoes. I don't think they're gonna want to see my, lean up a little bit, come up a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful. I love that lighting. I'm gonna get rid of the bags in the shot, but I gotta shoot.
I was gonna ask you if you could leave that.
No, don't worry about it.
Okay.
Why is it losing her face? Wait, don't move. There we go. Is because sometimes, not sometimes, but the shutter speed, when it's really high, it gives a different feel to the light than when you use your aperture at use a higher aperture. Now, why that is, I don't know. Beautiful. All right, bring the reflector out. Come on this side of it. Oh, my whole shadow is in there.
Yeah.
So this is what happens when you're trying to get rid of your shadow. And then come up, sit up high. Up. Come all the way up. Yep, and sit on it. Yes. There we go. Ooh, let's hurt my hip flex to pop. Praise the Lord. I've been stretching the whole week. I feel like this entire week has been just me stretching. It feels like I'm about to do a split.
I would say let me see that.
I wouldn't get hurt. It's only because I'm at a photo shoot. If anywhere else I did a split, I would probably cry. It's anything for the shot. Beautiful. All right, breathe. Uh-oh, that's how you get hurt right there. Trying to do something extra, boy. No, we got it. Yep. Let's show the client. Okay. First of all right, so we just finished the second look. We were shooting quick. Shots came out great. I don't know if you guys could see me in the camera or not. I was doing a very, very wide straddle like split type thing, but you anything to get the shot. Anything. It's how I got the shot, and there's anything for the shot. even if it includes yoga, whatever it takes to do it. So we got that shot. We're moving on to the third look now. Lillian did an amazing job as always. You guys will be able to see it on the screen recording itself. I'm not out of breath. I don't know why I'm breathing a little harder. I think I was trying to get my body off the ground. I ain't supposed to be that low. I'm supposed to be that low. All right. I don't know if you guys can hear all these jet skis in the background or not, but it's absolutely nuts out here. There's boats and jet skis and everything. We're on our third look. Lillian is ready. Kiva is showing her the mood board so we can work on the pose. And the way we're doing this today is we're literally going after one pose and then getting a couple of variations of that and then just stopping. Now there's no like secondary safe pose. We got one safe pose and then we're doing the rest of it so we can get out of here. Stay tuned. Going into it. Oh. How can I make this a little more creative?
She go like if it's off.
Go into that one, that little crevice. Let me see. Yeah. But then turn your body towards the sun. Yeah, that's better. Let's drop our aperture down. Yeah, let me shoot it at 3.5. Yeah, it's in there. I'm just trying to make sure I'm happy with the shot, which I am. Just make her look really big, grand in the shot. I was about to say big, but if you shoot lower. Okay, we're gonna do that. Let's come closer. Beautiful. So I'm coming up a lot closer on her. Kiva, step behind me. Right there is good, there you go. So make sure we're not, there you go. And look off it, turn your head that way. Beautiful. Move the hair off your shoulder so we're not losing the suit. The suit is why we're here. Give her a second.
I'm so scared.
I am, it's a mix, yeah. Say what?
I'll be so scared.
No, listen, a jet ski over there? No. No, no, no. Because out there is absolutely, it's too choppy. I seen a boat get like lost over there. Like it sunk because it was too choppy and it was a smaller boat. He kept trying to like hit the waves at the wrong time. Yep, they had to have everybody come help the dude up. Beautiful. And then just stand up normally, just stand up. Come out, come out. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I like that. Beautiful. No, keep doing, oh, that hurt? Oh, okay, yeah, keep doing that for a couple of shots and then we can literally move on because we got the shot already. Everything after this is just greed. And we're down here. Beautiful now. Uh-oh, what? Justine, I lost my assistant. My assistant, turn the reflector to me. I mean, towards her. There you go, now she can't breathe. Once the model can't breathe. Beautiful. That color is like really popping off the rocks too. The color is popping off the rocks. See, these angles that I'm choosing are helping to make sure people don't know. No, we're losing the whole thing. No, you're losing, yeah, because you're leaning so we don't get the shape or nothing. You can just stand for most of these. Yeah. We need more flapping behind you, that type of thing, but you're good. Now we're gonna shoot even. It's like you're on a mountaintop somewhere. I need some air. So I need you to either toss it up and then fall out of the shot. Yeah. Ready, 1, 2, 3.
I don't know if that did anything.
It did a little something. Shot again. Oh, what she just did was, okay, so what's happening is that we're getting a toss up, but what's happening, we're getting a bunch of the bottom part of the fabric. So I want to see the darker part. Okay. So hold it out. Okay. Let's see if that helps. See how, because I'm trying not to get a whole bunch of the bottom, the inside. That's the word I'm looking for, the inside. You need to see more of the outside.
So maybe
Yes, there you go. This is why we're talking. This is why we're working as a group. I want you to come over. Yeah, the lighting is perfect. No, that look you just gave was absolutely perfect for the shot. That's the drama we like. All right, I need more on her face. So move the reflector over there. Lift it up. Yes. Now we good.
Yeah. Now she's blind.
Now she's blind. That's all I want. I want you to not be able to see, but also see, but don't see what you're not seeing. Yep, there you go. You're good now. Now you have a face. For those other shots, you didn't have a face at all. Beautiful. No, we good. No, the wind is helping us now. We both in here to coat. We coat together, okay? We're cold friends. All right, so if you're gonna, I need you to go into the shade. No, the sun is hitting you. Yeah, there you go. I want, yeah, that. Listen, I was gonna help you eventually. Once I came back from the car. Who's out of here? All right, let me get the reflector. I know. And you can see all of us, right? In the shot? Okay. So you're gonna need to climb up here.
Please, sometimes I will close this.
Yeah.
Teamwork make the dream work now.
There we go. I got it. She got it. I'm trying to be tall. I'm tall too. She act like she the only tall person I know.
Tall person.
You right. I've never been tall. I'm only 6 foot since 14. I never got taller. Why didn't I get taller? I didn't drink coffee. I do nothing. It's not important. Okay. All right, so we are done. We knocked out 4 looks in about an hour and some change. Lillian did an amazing job as expected. I pressed the buttons. Justina helping with the reflector and also helping with recording. Kiva's swimsuits look amazing on her. And then thank the Lord for melanin and sunlight. It's a beautiful combo together. But yeah, so we are done. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace. Get out of here. All right.